Hi everyone! Are you also preparing to download all your favorite streaming playlists into high-quality local files for your next party, road trip, or video editing projects? Let me show you the simplest way to do it effortlessly. Instead of juggling different music apps, I use TuneFab Music Converter. It lets you download tracks from major platforms directly to your computer. The best part is it keeps the original high audio quality and works up to 35 times faster, so you do not have to wait around all day. Here is exactly how to do it. Open TuneFab and select the music platform you're using. Log into the built-in web player and drag the songs or playlists you want to the plus button. Now, this is the important part for getting the best sound. Tap the setting button in the top right corner on the converting list. Here you can set the output format to MP3 or FLAC. Make sure to change both sample rate and bit rate to original. This guarantees high-quality output. After setting that up, just hit Convert All to proceed with the music downloading. Once the download finishes, go to the local library and you can directly play the song. From here, you can easily plug in your USB drive or iPod, highlight the songs, and just copy and paste them right over. It really is that straightforward. If this guide helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe for more tech tips.